Hello students, let's continue with the topic integration. In this e-lecture we will discuss more questions based on method of integration by substitution. First is evaluate integral of x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 multiply x raised to power 5 with respect to x. Students, it's very easy to observe that the only possible substitution is here x cube minus 1 equals to t. Differentiate both sides, we get 3x square dx equals to dt. So that x square dx equals to 1 by 3 dt. Now in the integrand write x raised to power 5 as x cube multiply x square. Then replace x cube minus 1 by t, x cube by t plus 1 and x square dx with 1 by 3 dt. It implies that integral of given function equals to integral of t raised to power 1 by 3 multiply t plus 1 multiply 1 by 3 dt, which is equals to 1 by 3 integral of t raised to power 4 by 3 plus t raised to power 1 by 3 with respect to t. In next step, write the integral of t raised to power 4 by 3 equals to t raised to power 7 by 3 upon 7 by 3 and integral of t raised to power 1 by 3 equals to t raised to power 4 by 3 upon 4 by 3 plus constant c. Now simplify it and replace t by x cube minus 1. We get the final answer. Take another question. To find integral of e raised to power 2x minus e raised to power minus 2x upon e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x with respect to x, put e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x equals to t. Differentiate both sides, we get 2 e raised to power 2x minus 2 e raised to power minus 2x dx equals to dt. It implies that e raised to power 2x minus e raised to power minus 2x dx equals to 1 by 2 dt. Now in the integral, replace e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x by t and e raised to power 2x minus e raised to power minus 2x dx by 1 by 2 dt. So integral of given function equals to integral of 1 by 2 dt, which is equals to 1 by 2 integral of 1 by t with respect to t. Now integral of 1 by t with respect to t equals to log mod t. So we get 1 by 2 log mod t plus constant c. In next step, substitute t by e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x. We get the final answer. Moving towards next question. Evaluate integral of 1 upon cos square x multiply 1 minus tangent x whole square with respect to x. Students, this function can be written as secant square x upon 1 minus tangent x whole square. Now substitute 1 minus tangent x equals to t. Differentiate both sides, we get minus secant square x dx equals to dt. It implies that secant square x dx equals to minus dt. In the integral, replace 1 minus tangent x by t and secant square x dx with minus dt. So integral of given function equals to integral of minus 1 by t square with respect to t, which is equals to minus integral of t raised to power minus 2 with respect to t. Now to integrate, add 1 in the power and divide by the same number. Simplify it, we get 1 by t plus constant c. In place of t, put 1 minus tangent x. So we get integral of given function equals to 1 upon 1 minus tangent x plus c. Take another question. Evaluate integral of root tangent x upon sin x cos x with respect to x. Students, for convenience, you can denote integral of a function by I also. To find integral of this function, in the first step, multiply and divide the function by cos x. In next step, write cos x upon sin x equals to cot x as 1 upon tangent x and cos x multiply cos x as cos square x. In next step, write root tangent x upon tangent x as 1 by root tangent x and 1 upon cos square x as secant square x. So, integral of given function is equal to integral of secant square x upon root tangent x with respect to x. Now, let tangent x equals to t. It implies that secant square x dx equals to dt. Therefore, integral of given function equals to integral of 1 by root t dt. As 1 by root t equals to t raised to power minus 1 by 2, and to integrate this function, add 1 in the power and divide it by same number, we get integral of 1 by root t equals to 2 root t plus constant c. In place of t, put tangent x. So, integral of given function equals to 2 under the root tangent x plus constant c. Next is evaluate integral of x plus 1 multiply x plus log x whole square upon x with respect to x. First, write the given function as x plus 1 upon x multiply x plus log x whole square, which is equals to 1 plus 1 by x multiply x plus log x whole square. Students, as derivative of x plus log x is 1 plus 1 by x dx, so substitute x plus log x equals to t. Therefore, 1 plus 1 by x dx equals to dt. It implies that integral of given function equals to integral of t square with respect to t. Now, integral of t square is equals to t cube by 3 plus constant c. In next step, put t equals to x plus log x. So, we get integral of given function equals to 1 by 3 multiply x plus log x whole cube plus constant c. Take one more question. Evaluate integral of 1 upon 1 plus tangent x with respect to x. In first step, write tangent x as sin x upon cos x and simplify it. In next step, multiply and divide the function by 2. Then we write it as 1 upon 2 integral of 2 cos x upon cos x plus sin x with respect to x. In next step, add and subtract sin x in numerator and write 2 cos x as cos x plus cos x. Now, numerator of function becomes cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x. In next step, divide the numerator by denominator, we get 1 plus cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Now, write these functions separately for integration as shown. As we know, integral of 1 with respect to x equals to x. So, 1 by 2 multiply x, we get x by 2 plus 1 by 2 integral of cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x with respect to x. Mark it number 1. Now, to integrate cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, for convenience, denote it by I. Let's substitute cos x plus sin x equals to t. Differentiate both sides. We get minus sin x plus cos x dx equals to dt, so that cos x minus sin x dx equals to dt. Therefore, I is equals to integral of 1 upon t with respect to t, which is equals to log mod t. In place of t, substitute cos x plus sin x. So, we get I equals to log mod cos x plus sin x. Put the value of I in number 1 equation. We get integral of 1 upon 1 plus tangent x with respect to x equals to x by 2 plus 1 by 2 log mod cos x plus sin x plus constant c. As we have not written the constant of integration separately, so in final answer we write one constant of integration, that is c. Students, this is a very important type of question. These are Three more questions of same type. Integral of 1 upon 1 minus tangent x with respect to x, integral of 1 upon 1 plus cot x with respect to x, and integral of 1 upon 1 minus cot x with respect to x. Same procedure we follow to find integral of these functions also. Students, I hope that you all have understood about method of integration using substitution. For more practice, try to solve remaining questions of exercise 7.2. Also revise all the trigonometric formulas which you have learnt in class 11th. In next e-lecture, we will discuss integration using trigonometric formulas. Thank you.